Hey everyone, I'm Bryce, and today I am going to give a comparison between Perplexity AI and ChatGPT to know which one is better. ChatGPT is a conversational AI that provides quick responses to various queries. You can ask it anything, such as seeking debugging help or expressing gratitude, and it responds promptly. Additionally, ChatGPT can offer travel advice and provide tips for using Capital One effectively, including instant go-to bank transfers. Now let us check its plans. First, we have the free plan, which is priced at $0 per month. Then we have the Plus plan, which is $20 per month. Lastly, we have the Team plan, priced at $25 per person per month. Each plan offers different features that you can check out. Within Perplexity, you will find options such as Discover, Library, and Sign In. These options likely offer distinct functionalities, which users can explore based on their needs. When inquiring about the last information update, ChatGPT reports its last update in January 2022. On the other hand, Perplexity's GPT-4 was last updated in April, showcasing more recent information. Users can engage with both platforms by asking questions or requesting research on specific topics. ChatGPT and Perplexity promptly provide answers and information relevant to the queries. Both ChatGPT and Perplexity excel in their unique ways, offering quick responses and valuable insights. The preference between the two platforms ultimately depends on individual users' needs and preferences. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.